27. So these numbers are correct. Now, what is the answer to the question? What are we looking for? So the question is asking Rachel's age 3 years from now. That means Rachel's age in the future, which she's 15. So 15 is the answer to the question. Let's try this one. So Becca is twice as old as Susan, and Greg is 9 years older than Susan. 3 years ago, Becca was 9 less than 3 times Susan's age. How old is Greg now? So we have Susan, Becca, and Greg. We also have the present and the past to do with. So let's say PR is for present and PA is for the past. And let's put the equations on this side. So Susan's present age, we're going to call it S. For Becca, B. And G for Greg. In the past, that is 3 years ago, Susan's age is S minus 3. Becca's age is B minus 3. And Greg's age is G minus 3. Now, what equations do we have? In the present, Becca is twice as old as Susan. So B is equal to 2s. Now, also in the present, Greg is 9 years older than Susan. So we can say G is 9 plus X. 3 years ago, that is in the past, Becca was 9 less than 3 times Susan's age. So B minus 3, that's Becca. She was 3 times Susan's age, so 3 times S minus 3, but less 9, so minus 9. So how can we solve this? We have 3 variables and 3 equations. But if we focus on these 2 equations, we only have 2 variables, which means that we can solve for this. So let's replace B with 2s. Therefore, 2s minus 3 is equal to 3 times s minus 3 minus 9. And let's write the other equation. G is 9 plus s. So we no longer need a table. So let's distribute the 3. 2s minus 3 is equal to 3s minus 9 minus 11. Negative 9 minus 9 is negative 18. So 2s minus 3 is equal to 3s minus 18. Now let's add 3 to both sides. So 2s is equal to 3s minus 15. Now let's subtract 3s from both sides. 2s minus 3s is negative s, which equals negative 15. So if we divide by negative 1, s is equal to 15. Now, we know that Becca is twice Susan's age, so Becca is 2s. So 2 times 15 is 30. And Greg is 9 plus s. 15 plus 9 is 24. So in the present, Susan is 15, Becca is 30, and Greg is 24. Now, in the past, 3 years ago, Susan is going to be 12 years old, Becca is 27, and Greg is 21. So now that we've listed the data on the table, Now we can answer the question, how old is Greg now? So what is Greg's present age? At the present, Greg is 24. So this is the answer. Let's try another problem where we have three variables, or the age of three different people. So Lauren is 3 less than twice Andrew's age. 4 years from now, Sam will be 2 more than twice Andrew's age. 5 years ago, Sam was 3 times Andrew's age. How old was Lauren 5 years ago? So we have 3 scenarios, or 3 different time periods. We have the present, we have the future, and also the past. So we have Andrew's age. And then after that, we'll put Sam's age. And then Lauren. And finally, the last column will be for the equations. Now go ahead and fill in the table and solve the problem. Find Lauren's age 5 years ago. Feel free to pause the video to do so. So let's begin. At the present, Andrew's age will be called A, Sam's age is S, and Lauren's age is N. Now, in the future, that is 4 years from now, Andrew's age, he's going to be 4 years older, so A